down in the ditch today. So if you're hearing this, you already know what it is. But this ditch is probably one of the best I got. I mean, I pulled all kinds of stuff out of here. Actually, I didn't videotape it the other day. I pulled a broke axe out of here, but I pulled dovetails, cahokias. I pulled everything out of here. Anything you can about pull out of here, I pulled out of here. And I've been hunting this creek since I was just a little kid. And I actually got depressed a little bit because I get down here and try to hurry here. I know I'm running out of battery or time, but there's footprints right there. And they walked that rock bar. But you know, you see they're all the way up there. So that means they come in here high. You can't hunt this ditch high. You just can't do it. It's too good of a creek. But I don't know if this is anything yet or not. So I might be jumping the gun, you know. But I can see right here, if it's something that's big, and I hope it's all there. Try and get some pictures here. Just got sand sitting right up on it. Look at that. Oh my Lord. Dude, that is an absolute killer. Killer. That almost looks like an agate basin. I mean, that is just absolute killer. Well, I'll tell you what, 2019 has just been gorgeous for me. Well, I'm super stoked. Thank you very much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's an arrowhead. Northeast Missouri finest. That's a centerpiece. That's why you don't walk creeks high around here, not this one. Wish I knew who walked it, I'd show him that. Well, see you next time. Later.